I used to cry every single birthday. Not happy tears, of course. I hated my life. मैं अपना रूम लॉक करके रोती थी एंड खुद से पूछती थी why was I even born? I was good at studies. Job भी ठीक थी. From outside, my life looked fine. But inside, I was full of fear, full of anxiety, and honestly, underconfident about everything. Sadness तो ऐसा लगता था कि मेरा लवर है, जो मुझे छोड़कर ही नहीं जाना चाहता. And here's the part that scares me the most looking back. मैं कोशिश ही नहीं कर रही थी उस ग्लूमीनेस से बाहर निकलने की. I had just accepted it. Like this is what life gave me. So this is what I deserve. I am sharing this because what changed? It wasn't therapy. It was one book. And I want to tell you exactly how it happened. Please subscribe to this channel ताकि मैं आपसे रोज मिल सकूं. This was the turning point in my life. My mother was diagnosed with port spine, जिसे spine का TB भी कहते हैं. And I remember that moment so clearly because for the first time मुझे realize हुआ there is nothing like nothing beyond your body. Not your degrees, not your achievements. If your body isn't okay, nothing else matters. हमें अपनी body को literally पूजना चाहिए. And it was during that exact time when I was sitting with that fear, watching my mother go through something so serious that I stumbled upon a video about a book. वो video gratitude के बारे में थी, about how gratitude changes everything. ये लाइन तो मैंने पहले भी 1000 बार सुनी थी, like some generic quote, but उस वक्त अंदर से feel हुआ कि चलो एक बार try करते हैं. So I picked up the book. It's called The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. Here's the whole idea, and I promise it's simpler than it sounds. एक कोट है बाइबल में जिसने लोगों को बहुत सालों तक कंफ्यूज किया. It goes like, whoever has will be given more, whoever doesn't have will lose even what they have. When you first read it, it sounds unfair, almost cruel. रोंडा कहती हैं इसमें एक मिसिंग वर्ड है जो है gratitude. If you are grateful for what you have, you get more. If you are not, you slowly lose even what you already have. जैसे न्यूटन का एक लॉ है, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So she says, the action of saying thank you genuinely creates a reaction of receiving. I know how that sounds. Trust me, I was skeptical too. But she gives you an actual 28 days practice to test it yourself. Let me walk you through my favorite practices from the book that changed something in me. First is the blessings list. Every morning, write 10 things you are grateful for and why. जिन मॉर्निंग्स मुझे जेन्युइनली बेड से उठने का मन नहीं करता था, यही एक चीज थी that made me look for something good instead of staying in the dark. Second, the magic rock. This one I didn't expect to love. एक छोटा सा रॉक ढूंढो, अपने बेड के पास रखो. Every night before sleeping, hold it in your hand, think of the best thing that happened that day and say thank you. That's it. It sounds too simple to matter. But ये मेरे लिए एक फिजिकल एंकर बन गया उन रातों में जब मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था to feel grateful for. But holding that rock forced me to actually search for it. Third, the relationship practice. Pick 3 people close to you. Write 5 specific things you are grateful for about each using their name. I did this for my mother during her hardest recovery. It didn't fix her spine, but it fixed how I was showing up for her. I stopped seeing the illness for a moment and just saw her. Believe me, I really manifested her recovery. Fourth, the mirror practice. Honestly, ये मुझे starting में बहुत awkward लगा था. Stand in front of a mirror, look at yourself, से थैंक यू जोर से
Thank you so
खुद
much.
को। पहली बार
I
जब मैंने ये
truly
ट्राई
appreciate
किया, मैं सेंटेंस कंप्लीट भी नहीं कर पाई थी। आई रियलाइज्ड मैं खुद के साथ बहुत नेगेटिव एंड अनकाइंड थी। इट टुक मी वीक्स बिफोर आई कुड से इट एंड मीन इट। फिफ्थ, द मनी प्रैक्टिस। Whenever a bill comes, instead of complaining, say thank you for this money. It sounds small, but it rewired how I felt every time I spend money, from resentment to acknowledgement. Sixth, turning mistakes into blessings. कोई ऐसी चीज चूज करो जो अभी भी आपको हर्ट करती है and find 10 good things that came from it. I did this with decisions I regretted for years and realized मैंने कभी ढूंढा ही नहीं था कि उन्होंने मुझे क्या सिखाया, बस गिल्ट कैरी कर रही थी। मैं नहीं बोलूंगी कि ग्रैटिट्यूड ने सब कुछ ओवरनाइट ठीक कर दिया। It didn't. My mother's recovery was long. My anxiety didn't disappear in 28 days. But something shifted that I can't fully explain with logic. मैंने लाइफ से खुशी का रीजन मांगना बंद कर दिया है और खुद ढूंढना शुरू कर दिया। It's been 2 years since I started, and I don't recognize the girl who used to lock her door and cry on her birthday anymore. These are my gratitude journals. So here's my challenge for you. Tonight, write 10 things you are grateful for with reasons. Tomorrow morning, look in the mirror and say thank you to yourself. Do it for 7 days, just 7. Tell me in the comments what shifted. Even something small. मैं promise नहीं कर रही कि ये आपकी life overnight fix कर देगा, but it changed mine. I think it can start changing yours too. See you in the next video.